Okay, so in this video, I'm going to talk about a project called Awesome HaxeFlixel Development, and it's put together by Andre, who's and0 on GitHub. And what this is a place where you can go and find tutorials, books, code snippets, tools, everything you need to get started on your HaxeFlixel journey. The awesome title is not something that Andre made up. It's something that exists already from Sindre Sawhurst. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. But Sindre is a developer who has put together this GitHub page of awesome resources for products. And if we look down here, we can see there's everything from programming, front-end, back-end, computer science, big data theory, and even gaming. And if we look at the gaming section, there are things to do with Godot, Unity, even just Hax game development in general. And unfortunately, the HaxeFlixel link isn't here. It might come here in the future, but currently this resource is still useful for those who want to learn HaxeFlixel. There are, of course, tutorials and books, video tutorials, of course, mine are here, and some code snippets as well as libraries and extra tools. So I'm going to put this link in the description. I highly recommend you check this out, and also check out OSAT Games, which is the site that Andre has put together. He's got great tutorials on there, and he's got a game dev log of his game, Poker Girl, which is looking really good. And also, if you're loving his stuff, feel free to support him on Patreon. And that is pretty much it from this video. I will put the links in the description, and as usual, like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.